Hi everyone. Today I'm going to present my project. JARVIS, a personal AI voice assistant inspired by Iron Man. Imagine having a system that listens, understands, and responds intelligently while giving a futuristic and interactive experience. That's exactly what I've created. JARVIS combines Python for the backend and HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the front end. I used a Python library called eel, which connects both worlds so that when I speak, Python processes my voice and instantly updates the interface. It feels alive and responsive, as though it's truly listening.
The system begins with the main.py file, which acts as the entry point. It launches the program, plays the startup sound, and opens the interface in Chrome. From that moment, the back-end and front-end are synchronized. Everything I say or click is transmitted instantly. The command.py file handles voice input and recognition. It uses the speech recognition library to listen through the microphone, and I've added ambient noise adjustment so that JARVIS can still hear clearly even in slightly noisy environments. If I say something like open YouTube or play music, JARVIS executes that command immediately. If I ask a question like, "Who is Elon Musk?" it sends the query to the chatbot. If no command is detected, or the input is empty, JARVIS simply returns to the main page without errors, keeping the interface clean and active. Next is features.py, which defines all the core abilities of the assistant. It can open applications, play songs, search online, or even chat like a human. For the chatbot function, I used HugChat, an AI model from Hugging Face. This works through a cookie login, so the assistant can maintain sessions and sound more natural. When I ask a question, the query is sent to HugChat, which generates a thoughtful response. JARVIS then speaks the reply using PITSC3, while also displaying it on screen for a visual response. The front-end interface is where design meets technology. In index.html, I created a glowing circular display with the text, "Ask me anything." When I click the mic button, a SiriWave animation appears that moves dynamically while JARVIS listens. It gives the interface a sense of motion and makes it feel alive. The style.css file gives the assistant a futuristic, high-tech appearance. It has a clean white background, soft lavender glows, and smooth animations that mimic modern AI visuals. It feels like a digital companion instead of a simple program. The JavaScript files, main.js and controller.js, handle all the interactivity. They detect clicks, microphone activity, and text inputs, then communicate with Python through eel. When JARVIS listens, the display shows listening. When it processes speech, it shows recognizing. And when replying, it animates the text smoothly as if the assistant is speaking through the screen.
I also added subtle sound effects such as a startup tone, a click sound when activating the mic, and short chimes when JARVIS responds. These small touches make the experience more realistic and engaging. Together, these elements turn JARVIS into more than just code. It becomes an intelligent digital presence. In conclusion, this project combines multiple technologies, Python, JavaScript, AI chat models, and voice recognition to create an assistant that listens, thinks, and interacts naturally. Through building JARVIS, I learned how to merge technical programming with user experience design, making AI not only functional, but also friendly and human-like. So this is my version of JARVIS, just a rather very intelligent system, a voice assistant that doesn't just hear, but understands. Thank you.
Tell me a joke.
Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything.
Python tutorial on YouTube.
Playing Python tutorial on YouTube.
Hi, my name is Mosh. I'm going to be your instructor in this Python course.